Ever felt like your to-do list is a black hole? You throw tasks in and they just disappear? Or worse, you're managing a team and everyone's pulling in different directions. Communication is a mess, and projects are constantly slipping through the cracks. Yeah, me too. Or at least I used to. And that's why we're here today. We're diving deep into a tool that promises to bring order to that chaos. A tool called Asana. But the burning question, the one that's probably got you clicking on this video, is Asana free, or is it going to cost you an arm and a leg? Before we get to the price tag, let's just take a moment to understand why project management tools like Asana are so crucial in today's world. We're bombarded with information. Deadlines are tighter than ever, and collaboration is often the key to success. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients, a small business trying to keep track of everything, or a large enterprise with complex projects, having a system to manage tasks, deadlines, and communication is non-negotiable. Think about it. Without a centralized hub, emails get lost, important files are scattered across different platforms, and who's responsible for what becomes a guessing game? That's where Asana steps in, promising a streamlined workflow, clear task assignments, and improved team communication. But, of course, all that efficiency comes at a cost, right? Or does it? Let's rewind a bit. Asana was founded by Dustin Moskovitz, one of the co-founders of Facebook, and Justin Rosenstein, a former engineer at Google and Facebook. They saw a need for a tool that could improve team coordination and productivity, and they built Asana to address that need. It's grown from a simple task manager to a comprehensive work management platform, offering features like project timelines, calendars, automation, and integrations with other popular tools. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that all sounds great, but I just want to know about the price. I get it. We're all budget conscious, especially when trying out new software. So, let's break down Asana's pricing structure. The short answer is yes, Asana does have a free plan. But, as with most things in life, there's a catch. Or rather, there are limitations. The free plan is designed for individuals or small teams just getting started. It allows you to manage basic tasks and projects, collaborate with up to 15 team members, and use essential features like list, board, and calendar views. This free plan is perfect for personal projects, simple team workflows, or just getting a feel for Asana's interface. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and add comments. It's a solid foundation for basic project management. However, as your needs grow, you'll likely find the free plan lacking in certain areas. For example, you won't have access to advanced features like custom fields, project timelines, Gantt charts, portfolios, or advanced reporting. These features are crucial for managing complex projects and tracking progress effectively. That's where Asana's paid plans come into play. They offer a range of options to suit different needs and budgets. Let's take a look at the key paid plans. First, there's the Asana Premium Plan. This plan is designed for teams that need more advanced features, such as custom fields, task dependencies, forms, and reporting. With Premium, you can create detailed project plans, track progress more effectively, and streamline workflows. It's ideal for teams that need to manage multiple projects with varying levels of complexity. Then there's the Asana Business Plan. This plan is aimed at organizations that require even more advanced features, like portfolios, workload management, goals, and approvals. With business, you can manage large-scale projects, track team performance, and ensure alignment across the organization. It's perfect for businesses that need to scale their project management efforts and maintain consistency across departments. Finally, there's the Asana Enterprise Plan. This plan is designed for large organizations that need custom solutions, advanced security features, and dedicated support. Enterprise offers features like SAML, data export, and priority support. It's ideal for companies with complex security and compliance requirements. Now, you might be wondering, how much do these plans actually cost? The pricing varies depending on the plan and the number of users. Asana typically offers monthly and annual billing options, with annual plans offering a discount. It's always best to check Asana's website for the most up-to-date pricing information, as it can change. But let's be honest, cost isn't the only factor to consider. You also need to think about the value you're getting for your money. Ask yourself, how much time and resources will Asana save you? How much will it improve your team's productivity and collaboration? How much will it reduce the risk of missed deadlines and project failures? If Asana helps you streamline your workflows, improve communication, and deliver projects on time and within budget, the cost might be a worthwhile investment. Think about it this way. If you're spending countless hours trying to manage projects manually, the cost of that wasted time could far outweigh the cost of a paid Asana plan. And if you're still not sure which plan is right for you, Asana offers a free trial of their paid plans. This allows you to test out the features and see if they meet your needs before committing to a subscription. It's a great way to get a first-hand experience of Asana's capabilities. So, to recap, Asana offers a free plan for basic task management and paid plans for more advanced features. The free plan is perfect for individuals or small teams just getting started, while the paid plans offer a range of options to suit different needs and budgets. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use the free or paid version of Asana depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a simple task manager for personal use or small team projects, the free plan might be sufficient. But if you need advanced features like custom fields, project timelines, and reporting, you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan. Consider your team size, project complexity, and budget when making your decision. And don't forget to take advantage of Asana's free trial to test out the paid features before committing to a subscription. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.